Breakfast has earned its reputation as the most important meal of the day. It's a chance to start your morning off on the right foot, and research shows breakfast eaters are more likely to get key nutrients in their diets and to lose weight and keep it off. Here are 5 other easy clean eating breakfast ideas. Plain yogurt. Yogurt is healthy. It's full of filling protein and gut-healthy probiotics, or good bacteria. Instead, make a parfait with fresh fruit, for nutrition and some natural sweetness. Avocado toast. This is one food trend that hits the clean eating mark. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, which help keep you full, and also have antioxidants. Naturally sweet fruit. When you're eating clean, you'll want to cut back on added sugars. Rather than totally eliminate sweetness from your morning, turn to fruit. Fruit has sugar but also fiber, which slows down digestion, and vitamins and minerals. If you like toast and jam, try making your own quick jam with chia seeds and frozen fruit to top whole grain toast or an English muffin. Healthy breakfast tacos. Eating clean isn't about feeling deprived. If you love breakfast burritos, you need to try these 10-minute breakfast tacos. Eggs are scrambled and mixed with cheese and salsa. Instead of a flour tortilla, they are tucked into corn tortillas, which typically have a much shorter ingredient list and are naturally whole grain. Instant oatmeal. Instant oatmeal packets are convenient and save time, but they also tend to have lots of added sugar and sometimes funky ingredients. For the same instant breakfast, make overnight oats. The oats soak overnight and are ready to go in the morning. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.